Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make TikTok dance video with AI. So let's get started. First, head over to your browser. Now search up Wiggle.ai. Once you're here, click Join the Beta, the first option. Now you can either sign in with your Google account or with your email. I'm going to sign in with my Google account so it's faster. Alright, after you log in, you'll be at the home page. Here, there are a bunch of dances you can choose from. So I'm just going to pick a random one here to use as an example. Once you've found the dance that you want to use, click on Remix. Once you're here, click Add Photo at the bottom. Make sure the picture of your character or subject is the whole body, otherwise it will not be accurate. Now pick your character or subject, and all you have to do is click Generate and wait for it to finish generating your video. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.